Watch. At the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? A franchise to choosing one. The 10-star general. I don't know when me come representing a Gaza nation. I don't know in a load effect, Anytime I load up, crank up, aim up, and drop necessary equipment, know a load explosion boy, know no lollipop thing, What? Hear me, man? Right about now, Me no know I want me to Nikki Z, Me never see she a challenge Spice, She act like she afraid of her, You know what I mean? But me see like a Gaza nation, she want to run up on,
Them man have some serious lyrics,
Why they envy my money, man? Yes, I.
Respect.
Get the Leicester shit in.
Yeah.
See like that,
Respect.
You have dollar for you?
serious lyrics.
No.
Yo, get the
Look a bit. I run in on the work, now.
Alright, go.
Yeah? Alright. What? So hear me I say. Right about now, Nikki Z. I want to know how you make that be a part of your business right about now, because here what go on now, The Star put out them things in, and you say the Star News wrong. And you post up. You post up Shaggy and Sean Paul. Then you forgot Bob Marley. You forgot the Marley family, them Nikki Z. Everybody and their mother in a Jamaica know say Sean Paul and Shaggy are appropriate, precise music them man they do. The man they not going at it real hardcore dancehall where selector I go draw for certain tunes, certain hours for split the party in two. I know them man then tune them I go draw for. Them man they song. I feel like white people and everybody. And I know hardcore dancehall that. And nobody now bash them man. They so respect to the General Sean Paul and the diamond artist Shaggy. And I know lollipop thing. But let me tell you something, Nikki Z. Right about now, you couldn't take and Spice. You run and hide from the tracing. You see me? And a man you come over here so to argue with. But here what go on, man. I know everything in Nikki Z. Remember, I said 2 Vybz Kartel use rifle shot, and move the gully bank in, You see me? I'm over to take him thing overseas and leave you. You see what I deal with and go find new catty overseas. You see what I deal with and make all them family and them shit there. You think a Vybz Kartel response here, look at soccer life in Nikki Z? Eh? Gaza no need no highlight from you, Remember that, Gaza no need no highlight from you. You know what I mean? So any highlight where Gaza get, you can't stop that, You know what I mean? So when you come out and I try to come with a look at intelligent criticism, man know what you are doing, And if we find you contrary, you know what we do, sound the big thing them, Actually, naturally and fracturally, And a lollipop thing, You know a 10-star way we do thing, boy, a Gaza way. You see what I deal with? And when we see bad mind come and a shoot out, you know what we do. You know what I mean? We bust out head top. You hear that? So let me tell you something, Nikki Z. Go fix up yourself, before you ever try to even think, You can't discriminate the general a certain way or try to lower the man status or standard or anything where the man I get out of road, You see what I deal with? Remember the general there in a prison and Nikki Z, you're there on road, Go and go shape up your thing properly, man. And make everybody can see and can talk about you. You see what I deal with? You want to wait till when people are talk about the general and acknowledge the general certain way. You want to come with a look at idiot criticism and a mask behind bumbuckler camera and I go like you want pretty and fancy up. No. I want me to your mackerel leg, girl. Your leg them maga like blood clot mackerel. Let me tell you something, Nikki Z. Go put on some weight for your leg, man. You see all the girl them a do up themselves, man. Go get yourself in tune, man. You hear that? And I come get bright with Gaza because let me tell you something. Gaza and a run down mackerel leg, girl. A machine body man deal it. You hear me? I will say machine body, you probably don't know what I mean. But in a New York City right so, when you hear a man say a machine body that she have, that means she have one of the baddest body. You hear that? Her body bad. A bad body. And you now have no machine body. You hear that? So I don't know if you should work on chicken pill or you should ask Curvy Diva where she get her splash ram or something. You know what I mean? But find something creative for boots up yourself like that you can get some highlight and people talk about you. You hear that? You're too blood clot enough. More know if you're water or you're bumbo clot salt. You're too bumbo clot enough. And you go like you're intelligent, a bad mind, your blood clot bad mind. You know what I mean? And let me tell you something. As me say, me know I through the general use the rifle shot and move the gully bank in. You see me? I'm over the same now in a damn thing then no more. And him run go foreign and find different catty and different life and different family and it burn you. You hear me? I tell you, burn you. So you still a carry belly for the general. Let me tell you something, Nikki Z, go hold your corner, you know. Because Gaza burn to play everything, you know. You hear that? And if the general, you know, I get any type of highlight from nobody out the road and you go like you idiot, Nikki Z. Let me tell you something. Gaza nation, prayer, you know. Go over there, go give her some argument. You know, hear me I say? Watch.